I made progress in exploration, so let's read the next part of the story of Attack on Titan together. After investigating the invasion of a specific group of Titans and completing their survey of the perimeter, the Scout Regiment returns to the ruins of Utgard Castle to rest. In the dark of the night, a large group of Titans appear and surrounds the ruins. In desperation, Ymir, armed with a small knife, leaps down and throws herself into battle. It was a crazy scene, and for a very long time I kept thinking that she came with Raynor. Anyway, on to the next part! All is normal within the walls. Hennis, along with several other garrison regiment members, searched through the night in vain for a breach through which the Titans might have invaded. Despite the uneasy atmosphere, Raynor engages Eren in a casual chat during which he reveals a shocking truth, that he was the Armor Titan. I think it became a very famous meme how men are always so chill about discussing such huge things. Anyway, the Armored Titan and Colossal Titan appear before Eren and the Scout Regiment. Despite their desperate resistance, the Scout failed to prevent the Armored Titan from abducting Eren and Ymir. The elites of the Scout Regiment, having determined their enemies to be lurking in the forest of giant trees, swiftly launch a rescue. Just as they are about to reach the forest, the Scout Regiment encounters a horde of pure Titans. It was such a serious and intense scene, everyone just wanted to save Eren no matter what. Tibur is the second last one. The Scout Regiment has only just retrieved Eren when the Armored Titan throws a Titan at them, blocking their retreat. Eren repeatedly bites his finger in desperation, fruitlessly attempting to transform into a Titan. Seeing Eren descending into despair, Mikasa whispers to him with a gentle smile. Thus encouraged, Eren rises again, punching the Titan who killed his mother. As if resonating with Eren's roar, the pure Titan began attacking their own allies, and then Scout Regiment seizes the opportunity to withdraw. They ended up mixing two very emotional things in one scene. The one was that Mikasa called Eren her family, and the second was that he was able to control the pure Titans. Both were a huge thing. Okay, so for many previous time, it happened with me that I got the skin, but I didn't have the character, so I got my action scene. So I'm going to buy this character before I get any skin. And I had to sell a few things from my inventory to get this, but here we get it. I hope that in next video I will have the any skin. Till then, bye bye!